If you're on the hunt for a job here in Macau, you may wonder, what's the smartest way to apply? Is dropping off your resume daily or printing countless copies really effective? Let's find out. Macau's economy thrives on tourism, hospitality, and gaming, among other sectors. With numerous openings, competition can be fierce. So how do you stand out? Traditionally, many job seekers believe that dropping off resumes in person or printing multiple copies was the way to go. However, the landscape has changed. Is it still effective? While being proactive is essential, dropping off your resume daily doesn't guarantee success. Employers often prefer organized methods of application through their official channels. Printing countless resumes can also be a waste of